Hey, Chef Perry here again from ChefPerryPerkins.com and the My Kitchen Outreach Program. I'm a third-generation chef, culinary instructor, and author of the Home Chef series of cookbooks, and I'm here to help you create delicious, simple, and affordable dishes that your whole family will love. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my very favorite holiday appetizers, Brown Sugar Craisin Brie and Croute. And don't worry, it's a lot harder to say than it is to make. In Croute is a French term for a food that's been wrapped in pastry dough and then baked in the oven. It's quick and easy to make and delicious on your favorite crackers or slices of warm baguette. It's always a big hit. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and then unroll the thawed pie crust on a cutting board. Place the brie in the center of the pie crust. Some folks find the flavor of brie with the rind still on to be too strong. If you want to slice the rind off, you'll find the brie to be much milder. Personally, I prefer it with the rind on. Add your brown sugar and press to keep it firm, then add the craisins and nuts, pressing them into place as well. Next, scallop the pie crust over the brie, pressing lightly to seal all the way around. There should be a small gap in the center which allows the steam to escape and keeps the crust flat while baking. Brush the top of the crust with melted butter and then sprinkle with a couple more tablespoons of brown sugar. By the way, if you're enjoying this recipe, be sure to check out my latest home chef guide, Holiday Cooking, loaded with my favorite recipes, tips, and professional techniques for the perfect and painless holiday feast. It's available on Amazon at www.perryperkinsbooks.com. Okay, back to our brie. Spread a tablespoon of melted butter in a baking dish, add the brie, and bake 15 to 20 minutes or until the top is lightly browned. Remove from the oven and allow it to cool about 5 minutes before cutting. Serve the brie still hot so the cheese is warm and runny. It's lovely. Thanks for joining me again, and be sure to pick up a copy of The Home Chef Transforming the American Kitchen, filled with professional chefs' tips, tricks, and techniques, and recipes to take your cooking to the next level at home. All of my Home Chef titles are available on Amazon.com and at PerryPerkinsBooks.com. This is Chef Perry. See you next time.